Welcome back. I hope you're able to keep up with my videos. Alright, in the last video, I actually programmed the pedal to move left and right following the mouse. Alright, but the ball did not bounce off the pedal. The ball went right through it. So in this video, we're going to learn how to set the ball to bounce off the pedal. Okay, so let's start now. First, we're going to select back to the ball. Okay, this is the ball that as you can see, it bounces off the wall, but not off the pedal. Okay, so we're going to add in a function, an if function. Under if, okay, let me just put this here. Okay, if the ball touches the pedal, then we will have to code the bounce, the actual code for bouncing. Okay, so first thing we need to do is if the ball touches the pedal. Okay, so under sensing, there is a touching. Okay, under touching, select pedal. Okay, remember now we're in the code for, excuse me, now we're under the code for ball. All right, and if touching pedal, we must bounce. Okay, to do the bouncing part, we have to change the direction of the ball. Okay, changing the direction of the ball, we have to set the direction. Where is the direction? Let me see. Point in the direction of the ball. Okay, let me just drag all these blocks out. Okay, first we have the point in direction as well as the direction. This direction is where the current ball is moving, the current direction. All right, and we need to use an operator, a math operator. Okay, let me just put this in. Okay, when the ball bounces, it's actually 180 degrees minus the incoming angle. It's a little bit hard to explain to kids, especially those that have not learned math and trigo. So take my word for it. Okay, put in the first part of the code, 180 degrees. Okay, minus the incoming direction of the ball. Okay, so this code will change the direction of the ball. Once it hits a surface, it will, hits the pedal, it will bounce off in the opposite direction. Okay, gonna put this in here. So what this says is if touching pedal, then point the direction of the ball to the bounce off direction. Okay, let me just put this on top here. You need to put it on top before the move. Okay, basically if it hits something, it will bounce first and then it will continue moving in the opposite direction. All right, let's give it a go. All right, it's working, isn't it? Okay, great. Okay, so that's all for this clip. Join me in the next clip where I will give you a task that you need to do, like a homework. Try to get it done before I will give you the solution to my following clip. Thank you guys.